In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shared folder in your Google Drive desktop app on Windows 10. This simple process can help you organize and access files that others have shared with you more efficiently, ensuring you have everything you need right at your fingertips whenever you open your Google Drive. First, let's get started by navigating to your Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Drive homepage. Make sure you're logged into the account where the shared folder is accessible. Once you're on your Drive homepage, you'll see several options on the left-hand side of your screen. These include My Drive, Computers, and others, but what we're interested in here is the Shared with Me section. Go ahead and click on Shared with Me. This will take you to a list of all the files and folders that other users have shared with you through Google Drive. Now that you're in the Shared with Me section, you should see a variety of files and folders displayed. Look through this list and identify the folder or file you wish to add to your main Google Drive. These will typically be displayed in a grid or list format, and you can scroll through to find the specific item you need. Once you've found the folder you want to move, simply click and drag it from the Shared with Me section over to the My Drive section on the left side of your screen. This action effectively creates a shortcut to the shared folder, allowing you easy access anytime you open Google Drive on your desktop. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a shared folder to your Google Drive desktop app in Windows 10. This process doesn't actually copy the folder to your drive, but it links it so that you can view and manage the folder more easily. Keeping your Google Drive organized by moving important shared folders into your My Drive section is helpful not just for reducing clutter, but also for ensuring you can easily spot and work with shared resources in your projects or collaborations. Remember that any changes you make to the files within the shared folder will be visible to others with access unless you've set specific permissions otherwise. This shared feature makes Google Drive a robust tool for both personal and professional use, streamlining file sharing and collaborative tasks among team members. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope it made the process clear and easy to understand. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.